You have to grab him by the back. He's chill. He's chill.
Put him in the water.
Why? Crab.
Put him in the water. Go put him in the water.
Trying to put him up.
All right, get him in the water.
Okay.
There you go.
I got it.
There you go. Good job, John.
I'm scary in it. He's alive. That's so crazy. This little dude's alive. Hello, buddy. Look at his little eyes. Those are so big. He's just chilling in the cool little water. It's like perfect temperature water.
John, get in there.
Come on, open your little mouth.
Don't try to open him. Here, let me see. Don't try to open him. Like, hold him, move him around a bit.
Is he alive?
Yeah, put him back in the water.
Oh. I say yeet. Baby sea crab. Look at the comparison for the size. Yeah. See?